Hi everybody, let's have a look at what we've got. We have got some dishwashing liquid, a bowl and a tray and a whisk. And we've put everything on a towel just in case things get wet because we're going to also add some water. What are we going to do? We are going to whisk up some bubbles into a nice lather so that we can have some nice squidgy fun. See you do this bit. Can squeeze it in. There we go. Miss Carl already put some in. So we've got some of that. And Tefnut, do you want to pour the water? Pour a little bit of water. Okay, let's pour in a little bit of water. There we go. Yes. In it goes. There we go. Quite a lot of soap and not that much water. This is going to be one of those activities where we add what we need. If we need a little bit more water, we'll add a little bit more. If we need a little bit more soap, we'll add a little bit more. Because not all soap is the same consistency. Some soaps you need to add a bit more water and some you don't. Right, let's see. Now our whisk, remember nice strong wrists to go round, 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 round. Right, this Carl's going to have a little go. Oh, as I'm doing that, what can you see happening? Look at those bubbles coming up. Yes. I'm going to take those out the way. Go. Come on, have your turn, Lucy. Yes, you just need to hold that whisk and you need to whisk it. Yes, go round, 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 round. Yes, whisking, whisking, whisking. Woo! Faster, faster, faster. The faster you go, the faster those bubbles stay. Okay, yes, look at you. Whoa, you're getting into that job, Lulu. Look at that! Lovely bubbles, Lucy. Tess, your turn. Yes. Come this way. Yes, that's right. And you're going to go the other way. Yes. You're also getting into that job, Tefnut. Yes. Ooh! Ha! Yes, you've got a strong hand there. Oh, it's all whisked up. And I'm going to whisk some more. The faster you whisk, the more you make bubbles on bubbles. And that's what makes the bubbles thicker. If you do it too slowly, it's going to take a very long time and you won't get bubbles on bubbles. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks almost good enough to eat, but don't. It's getting bigger. That's because the bubbles are full of air. So they occupy or they take up more space. Yes. Scoop off the bubbles, leave the water and the liquid in. You can see there's some, well, not very much liquid. So we're going to scoop out all the bubbles and put them in our tray. What fun is that? Oh, wow. Because our foam, because that's what we've made like a foam, haven't we? Look at that. Because ours is a sort of greenish colour, we decided we'd put in some farm animals to play with. Okay, so we're going to pop those in there and we're going to see if we can cover them up. We've put our farm animals in there. Can you see them? No. So what we're going to do is we are going to take turns to feel through the foam. We can work out what animals are hidden in there. Okay, do you want to have a try? Let's see. Oh, what do you think this one is? Take your wipe off all the foam. What is it? What is it? What is it? Ooh, see if you can discover what it is when you wipe off all the foam. It's a sheep. Yes, it's a sheep. Well done. Now, Lucy, your turn. Come, let's have a look. We're going to have to wipe off all the foam and discover what it is. What's this one? Ooh, what's that one? Wipe off all the foam. Wipe it off, wipe it off. What is it? It's a goat. Yes, it's a goat. Well done. This car's going to have a turn. Oh, put it underneath. Let's see what can I discover. I'm going to wipe off all the foam. Oh, I can see the colors coming through with this one. It's a cow. Yes. So you can have lots of fun with that. And if you finish playing with your animals, you know what? They'll be so nice and clean as well. You might have other toys that you want to play with in your foam. Then you can also do some tracing, some letters. Let's have a look at